I want to show you guys a little decoration we do for couch, upholstery. So here is, I get this a little towel and I fold in 3 pieces like this, and fold again, and squeeze like this in our hands, and show you guys how it is. This you go like this, come back, go, come back, go, come back, go, come back. I go up, down, up, down, up, down. And I'll show you guys how nice look. And the clients, they are so happy with this a little kind of decoration we do for. After our little touch decoration, how beautiful look, how we live. Look this, all the little mark, the decoration, it's so pretty. And I want to just make sure you guys know a little touch we do for the decoration, make everybody so happy. And here we leave everything like nicely and beautiful. And the only one thing is sit down and enjoy the day. Thank you.